So welcome back. Today we're gonna dig deeper into our function in JavaScript. Specifically, I want to take a look into scope and nested function. That's only two things we're going to do today. So let's do a quick review or recall. Recall that we learned what is a function, how function work, benefit of using function in JavaScript, and how to call a function, and also how to use argument / variable inside of the function. If you didn't watch the function 1, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and you can check it out right now, because I want you to understand what is a function before we go to global context. So we're going to do some global things, not around the globe necessarily, but in just this document. For example, and this is example from our ebook. I create a variable, call my name equal to John, and I function say name. I'm gonna say var my dog equal to, I'm gonna call it John, let's call it Mickey. And I'm gonna say alert my name plus has a dog named plus my dog. Alright. So that's a function say name, and it's obviously gonna print out alert. Actually, let me just console alert my name. So John has a dog named Mickey. Alright, and then I'm gonna say name, which is just calls a function. And I'm gonna say alert my name and alert my dog. So this is gonna just do three things, alright, necessarily. So it's gonna actually print out an alert, say my name, the variable my name, plus string has a dog named, then plus variable my dog, and whatever the value is stored in. And then I'm gonna run this function, and I'm gonna alert them individually. Let me just console.log them so you can show the difference. Alright. So, what do you think will be happen if I run this program? Well, let's take a look. Let me copy the full path, open up my browser, go here. Alright, great. So first, I get it right. John has a dog named Mickey, and nothing showed up. Great. I'm gonna console.log it, Command Option J, and I got John for my name, but I get an uncut reference error saying my dog is not defined. Why did that happen? Because I clearly defined this, my dog, inside of the function. What happened? Well, because my dog, this is defined inside of a function. This is a local variable, where in other words, you only can use this inside of this certain function only. And this is defined outside of a function. This is a global variable, which is mean everywhere that's in this document can use my name. That's why I'm gonna run success, but this local variable unsuccessful. Unsuccess. Alright. So that's a point. So remember, if you want this my dog variable only live within your function, put it inside your function only. Don't waste your global variable chance. But otherwise, make sure put outside the function, because else you cannot call this function call this variable outside of the function. Great. Now let's moving on. So this is called nested function, and we're gonna do almost same thing. So var my name equal to John again, and then let's say function say name. Parenthesis here, and let's say var my dog equal to, let's say, Joey this time, which is actual name using in the ebook. And I'm gonna say create another function. It's called say food, and some error. And I'm gonna say var my food equal to pizza. Love pizza. And I'm gonna say alert my name plus has a dog named plus my dog, and plus, and it likes to eat plus my food and semicolon. Alright, and I didn't call my function yet. I'm gonna call this say food function. I'm just gonna console the log the same thing again, because I got some point to prove you. So let me console the log. And say food and say name. Alright. So what would you expect it will be happen? Well, take a minute to read through the code and guess what will be happen. Alright, so let's actually save it and run it so we can see clearly what happened. So I gotta open my console. Okay, so let's take a look. It say my food is not defined and it's at line 15. Alright. So, according to our knowledge of nested variable, global variable and local variable, why this console.log does not work. So, my name is defined. My dog is also defined, and my food is defined inside. So it said my food is not defined. My food is not defined because the nested function, this variable is still a local variable. So we can say live only inside of say food function. Alright, so nested function maybe not work as you think at first, because my food is still undefined, although the function is inside of this function. Alright, so that's all we're going to do today. It's a short video, and tomorrow next video we're gonna learn some operators.